students, welcome again on my online class. How are you, dear students? I am fine. I hope you are also fine. Today I am before you again with my class. Can you guess what class I will take today? Yes, I will take your English first paper class. So be ready, class 9-10 students, with your EFT book and necessary materials. I am going to start my class. At first, I'll show you a picture. First, look at the picture. What's the picture about? Yes, about the Shoaib Minar. This is the Shoaib Minar of our country. Where it is? Where it is situated? It is near the Dhaka University. Yes. Why was it built? It was built to commemorate our language martyrs. So our today's topic is Unit 3, Lesson 3, International Mother Language, Day 1. Dear students, at first I'll show you some vocabularies. If we know the vocabularies well, then we can understand our passage clearly. So be ready and write down the vocabs. Our vocabs are our first word is achieve. Do you know the meaning of Bengali meaning of achieve? Yes. Its Bengali meaning is Arjun Kora. What kind of participle it is? It is verb. And the meaning of achieve is gain or attain. Second word is memorable. Memorable. It is what kinds of participle it is? Yes, it is adjective. Its meaning is unforgettable. And its Bengali meaning is Shoroniyo. The next word is observe. Observe means celebrate, and it is verb. Then tribute. Observe. The Bengali meaning of observe is udjapon kora, palon kora. Tribute. Tribute means respect or honor. It's a noun, and its Bengali meaning is shraddha. Our next word is state. Its meaning is sovereign country, and it is noun. And Bengali meaning of it is rashtra. Then know. It is verb. Recognize or realize. Know means jana. Our next word is public. Its parts of speech is noun. And the Bengali meaning of public is Jonosadaran, people. Then word is meeting. Meeting means gathering. Its parts of speech is noun. And meeting means Shamabesh. Then declare. Declare means a noun. It's verb. Declare means Ghoshona Kora. Declaration. It's noun. It's verb. Declare is verb, but declaration is noun. It means announcement. Announcement means Ghoshona. The next word is strong. Strong means strong wind. It's noun. It means jhor. Then the next word is continue. Continue is verb, and its meaning is resume. Continue means chalman, chaliye jawa. Then the next word is prevent. Prevent means protect. It is verb. Prevent means protirodh. Then fire. Fire means shoot. It's verb. It means guli kora. And the last word is procession. Procession is participle is noun. Its meaning is gathering of persons who march through the road. Procession. The Bengali meaning of procession is michil. Now, students, you know most of the vocabularies of this passage. Now I think you can understand the passage. So please take your EFT book, page number 33, Unit 3, Lesson 3, International Mother Language, Day 1. February 21st is a memorable day in our national history. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. That day is a national holiday. Now 21st February is a memorable day for us. We observe the day as our holiday. Not only we but also the whole world also observe this day. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as the state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. On this day, our language movement martyrs are laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language. The struggle to achieve our language rights is known as language movement. It is known as our language movement, which was held in 1952. The seed of the language movement was sown on 21st March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting in Dhaka that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. When the then Governor General of Pakistan declared at the Karjan Hall that the Urdu shall be the only state language, then the whole public of the East Pakistan are not the whole public of Eastern Pakistan could not expect this dawn of protest in the eastern part of the country. The protest continued, non-stop gathering momentum day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. The government outlawed all sorts of public meetings and rallies to stop it. The government wanted to stop this, and so they outlawed all sorts of public meetings and rallies. The students of Dhaka University defeated the law, but the students of Dhaka University would not tolerate the law. So they defeated the law and brought out peaceful protest procession on 21st February 1952. So they want to break out the law, so they brought a procession in 1952, 21st February. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students. The police of Western Pakistan opened fire on the students and killing Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, Jabbar, Shafir. As a result, there were mass protests all over the country and government had to declare Bangla as a state language. The government of the Western Pakistan then bound to declare Bangla as our state language. This kindled and the sparks of independence movement of Bangladesh. So dear students, I will give you 5 minutes to read out the passage silently, and if you read the passage then you can understand it clearly. After that you can write down this question answer. Now I will give you some question. First look at the question, then try to write the answer of it. Why did our martyrs give away their lives? Number 1. Number 2. Why do we pay tribute to the martyrs? Number 3. When was the seed of the language movement sown? And number 4 is, why is 21st February a memorable day? What is the status of 21st February at present? Now dear student, try to write it. I will give you the answer after that. Now our answer is ready for you. Match your answer with the board. Our first question was that, Why did our martyrs give away their lives? Our martyrs gave away their lives for the cause of our language, to establish Bangla as our state language. Our second question was that why do we pay tribute to the martyrs? We pay tribute to the martyrs because they sacrificed their lives to establish Bangla as a state language of Pakistan. Third one is, when was the seed of language movement sown? The seed of language movement was sown on 21st March 1948. Our next question was, why is 21st February is a memorable day? What is the status of the 21st February at present? 21st February is a memorable day because on this day in 1952, our martyrs gave away their lives to establish Bangla as a state language. At present, 21st February is observed all over the world as International Mother Language Day. So dear students, here is your homework. Take the homework. I will read out once for you. Our language movement is our dash, the dash of the students of Dhaka University in this movement is the greatest because it is the dash step down into the dash, demanding the acceptance of legitimate right of the people dash in the eastern part of the Pakistan. So dear students, our class is finished. I hope you understand the class better. It's all. So that's all my today's class. I will see you again in my next class. Be safe and healthy till then. Thank you. Bye.